Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials for you each day, and I try to focus on new content with each video. And I'm trying to solve the problems that you face with on digital world. So if you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below. I regularly check the comments and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. My channel is thriving now with your support. I really appreciate it. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now, let's get started. What I'm trying to do with this video is to tell you a bit about how to add a link to your Instagram story. So Instagram stories has extended the amount of time people spend in the app by approximately 10 additional minutes. But while that extra time means more attention and focus on your brand, it won't translate too much if you can't get that traffic back to your site. If you have over 10,000 followers or you are a verified user, you have an incredibly effective tool at your disposal, the swipe up link. And this link enables you to post exciting content regarding a new product, service, or event, and then encourage those users to swipe up for details. But with all that power comes some responsibility. How do you add a link to your story, and how can you use it to its fullest advantage? Let's dive into that now. How to add swipe up to Instagram stories. Check to verify that you have 10,000 followers or a verified account, and find the link icon when you open your Instagram story tool. And after that, click this link icon, copy the link you want to include to your device's clipboard, enter or paste the link in the spot provided in your Instagram story, and after that, click down in the top right, publish your Instagram story and view your story to ensure the link works correctly. So, I'll just, give you more details now. I used HubSpot's official Instagram account for these instructions since my personal account isn't verified. And you'll be surprised to hear, but I don't have 10,000 followers. So at first, take a photo or upload one to your Instagram story and then click the icon at the top right that looks like a chain. And this icon, you can just see on the picture, this icon allows you to input a link. And here, click plus URL to add a link to a web page. And if you were interested in linking your story to your IGTV video, you could choose that option instead. And type the URL into the text box. And when you're finished, click down in the top right. And when you're ready to publish, click the plus story button at the bottom right of your story, and now your published story has a see more swipe up link. And it's just like that. And I'll just show you some Instagram swipe up link examples. So the first one is at Detoxinista recipes. Food bloggers such as at Detoxinista, use Instagram story swipe up link to embed recipes on the platform, and they wisely post images of delicious looking food, which incentivizes users to swipe up to learn how to make it themselves. And the link isn't a direct advertisement, but users are directed to Detoxinista's website where they can find her cookbook and become familiar with her brand. And you can just see the picture there and see this story there. I think it looks really, really delicious. And yeah, and the other one, I feel hungry now. At a Life Dutowski clothing items, if you are a Bachelorette fan, you might have noticed the growing trend among Bachelor and Bachelorette contestants to become product influencers and embed swipe up links in their stories. Actually, I was just a fan of Bachelorette and some Bachelor shows. I didn't watch all of them, but I just watched the latest one. So yeah, I also just follow some influencers right now. They just participated in Bachelor or Bachelorette, and I'm just curious about their lives and what they buy or what they suggest. So yeah, I think it's really popular right now. And as a fashion and style blogger, Ellie often takes pictures or videos of outfits she's wearing with swipe up links so users can buy the items online. She also often incorporates discounts if users swipe up, further incentivizing a user to purchase an item from a brand's website. And the other one is Pop Sugar Fitness Summer Sculpt Series. One of the most effective ways to use the swipe up feature is to offer your followers something of value for free. At Pop Sugar Fitness, for instance, introduced a Summer Sculpt series with a tempting offer: swipe up for a 10-minute no equipment booty shaping workout. Who could say no to that? Ideally, as users obtain more value from your site, they'll spend longer on it and become stronger brand advocates. And the other one, Be More Human campaign. Reebok created a wonderful and timely campaign called Be More Human, celebrating women's empowerment through fitness. On their Instagram stories, they raised awareness for the campaign by showing famous women like Gigi Hadid or Danai Gurira. I don't know, but maybe I'm just pronouncing it wrong, and sorry for that. And when you swipe up, you learn more about Reebok's campaign and how you can get involved. And on the site, there are opportunities to purchase t-shirts or donate money, but it's evident Reebok is committed to staying focused on their messaging, above all else a noble pursuit. Yeah, just like that. And I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching. The quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, or leave a comment below. And feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content. And I'll talk to you all in another video very soon. Bye.